Hi, welcome back to my nail art tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to draw roses. They look like they are floating on glitter, which is perfect for spring. Let's create it together. These are the products that I'm going to be using. The description box below lists all the products used in this video. First, I apply a glitter gel on a clear tip and cure it for 30 seconds. Repeat it for the second coat. Next, I apply a blooming gel on entire nail. Do not cure yet. I apply red gel polish to 3 spots. Those are going to be roses. You don't have to create a perfect circle shape. The blooming gel will do the job for you. Then I apply blue-green gel polish around the red circles. Those are going to be leaves. Cure it for 30 seconds. After curing, I apply a non-wipe top coat and cure it for 30 seconds. This process creates the depth between the base and the roses. Next, start drawing the roses. I am using the Liner XS brush for this process. Grab the gel on the brush, blend it into the brush. I started drawing a rose from the center. Start with a small circle, then add petals around it. Be conscious of using only the brush tip. By using only the tip, you can draw more precise lines. This process makes the roses pop. Continue to draw roses on the red circle. Then I start drawing leaves. You don't have to follow the exact shape of the green spot. The blooming gel created interesting shapes. Drawing leaves on top of the green spots creates aesthetic design. Continue drawing leaves. Cure it for 30 seconds. Then apply a non-wipe top coat and cure it for 30 seconds. And you're all done. It was a quick, easy, and pretty rose design. Try it with different colors and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to learn more basic gel nail art techniques, I have a link for my online course in the description. And if you're going to check the brush I used, I also have a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified when I release new videos like this one, and I will see you on the next one.